Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here, and today I'm going to show you how to make flower pens by modifying this felt flowers kit that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So right away, this kit is pretty good. It's pretty simplistic. There's not really a lot of complicated instructions, and I do go through the first part of this video and just make the kit as it is. Later on, I will go and modify it to become useful as a pen, but essentially, this first part is just the base kit itself. And give me one moment, moving the pipe cleaners. All right, if you'd like to read the instructions, go ahead and you're gonna wanna pause here. I'm gonna hold them as still as possible. Just grab your frame, pause, screenshot if you need to. But essentially, if you have felt and pipe cleaners at home, you can make this with these instructions. So, I hope you screenshotted those because I'm about to make this kit. So the instructions, as far as I remember, don't have this part. I looped the top of the pipe cleaner so that there'd be more surface area for the two adhesive backings of the flowers to hold onto versus just the pipe cleaner itself. Sometimes if you give it a shape, it'll actually hold in place better because the adhesive can get a better grip. So that's what I was doing first, and then I placed it in between the two like felt adhesive paper things. That's really the best word I have for that, sorry. And you basically want to push it together so that the adhesive parts are stuck together and the pipe cleaner is stuck in the middle of it like a sandwich. It's wedged in the middle. The reason why is because your pipe cleaner is going to be your flower stem, so you want it to be secure within the flower. And so this part of the video, I was looking through the pieces of the felt because I realized that not all of the felt pieces had adhesive backing and that they all didn't match up to a specific shape, which had made me so frustrated in the moment, but it was just because I was trying to do a specific design. So apparently I'm spending forever trying to take the adhesive off. Sorry, I like to dunk on myself and I do my editing later. Anyway. Enough of me being rude to myself. So you just push these together. Now I will say with this kit, the adhesive was a lot sturdier than I thought it would be, and it was like trying to stick to my hands when I was trying to put this together, so just bear that in mind. So next I'm putting on one of these cute little faces that come with the kit. These just punched right out of the felt paper, so it's pretty easy. Like I said, you didn't have to cut anything for this. You don't even have to do any like modification with glue or scissors with the modification to turn it into a pen either. I'll show you those designs at the end, but it doesn't require any extra glue or any extra materials, just the pens. There's our happy little flower. Now I'm gonna give him a leaf. I almost said feather, oh my. I'm gonna give him a leaf. So these are again adhesive, and I realized, because I was gonna put two, like sandwich them together, and then it clicked in my head that I needed to fold it over because it makes one leaf because it's the front and back. But at first I really sat there and went, oh, I have to waste all of these on two flowers. And then I put two and two together and I was like, oh, wait a minute, that's four. So to make these into pens, essentially all you're going to do is take the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the end of any old pen that you have or any pen that you want to make it like cuter or whatever. So you're just going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the end of it, and this is a temporary hold because we're going to secure it in just a second. But the way I'm like lengthening the pipe cleaner here is just by basically rolling another pipe cleaner around the end of that one, securing it above the leaf, and then essentially that just extends it so that you can use more pipe cleaner without having to cut more pieces for yourself. Why am I straightening out the thing so much? Okay. So now you're just gonna wrap it around the pen. It's pretty simple. Just wrap it in a coil and try to secure it if you can somewhere, like wrap it around itself like a knot of some kind. And this is just one way to do this, but in a second we're going to make this secure so that it doesn't fall off the pen when you're doing your writing. Why am I struggling with I'm just watching myself struggle with this. What is happening, Luna? What are you doing? Oh my god, past Luna. Ah, that's what I was doing. So I was putting I was making the coil a little more tight, but as you can see, that could just slide off the end of the pen. So the way I'm gonna secure it is I'm gonna take one of these leaf adhesive felts and wrap it around the pipe cleaner in a way where it also wraps around the pen. Essentially just using it as like a tape to tape the flower onto the pen, but since it's all leaf related, so to speak, it ends up looking like it was kind of not as rushed of a job. But I mean, really, I don't know. This one was a fun one, but I just wanted to make it useful. I don't know. Sometimes I like to be useful, you guys. Alright, this is just me demonstrating that you can write with the pen. Go, be free, and make a legion of adorable pens. And remember to stay awesome, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video, post, or whatever comes next. Bye, lovelies!